Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. China's anger seems to be reaching its threshold now. It has accused India of making excuses over the illegal entry of India's military into Chinese territory, adding that China has shown great restraint until now. China says India entered in its territory and halted the road construction for no reason, since China was carrying out an activity in its own land. But India said that no, Doklam is not yours. India had in fact warned China that the road construction would have serious security implications. In a statement, China's foreign ministry has said that the Indian military was still in Chinese territory and that China had acted with a great deal of patience and restraint, demanding that India withdraws its forces. But the Indian side not only has not taken steps to correct its mistake, in fact, it has gone overboard and is making up excuses and reasons since they don't have any standing. China has said that India is merely making up excuses for the Indian military's illegal crossing of the border. The ministry reiterated that the border in fact had been agreed in 1890 by the governments of China and Britain. India's actions are not only a serious encroachment of Chinese territory but a challenge to regional peace and stability and normal international order. In a statement, China's foreign ministry has said that at one point there were more than 400 Indians on Chinese territory who had advanced over 180 meters into China. As of late July, there were still over 40 Indian border troops and one bulldozer on Chinese territory. China says, since the incident broke out, India has invented various excuses to justify its illegal action. But its arguments have no factual or legal grounds at all and are simply untenable. Well, China seems really agitated with the fact that India is not putting its foot down. Guess China's dream of becoming the only powerful country in Asia shall remain a dream for some time more. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.